The 75-inch Samsung Neo QLED QN90F model is a masterpiece that combines technology and aesthetics, designed for those who want to take their home entertainment systems to the next level. As the 75-inch version of the QN90F series, this TV embodies Samsung's latest imaging and sound technologies. At the heart of this model are quantum mini LEDs, which are 40 times smaller than traditional LEDs. These microscale LEDs, combined with quantum matrix technology that precisely manages light control, provide incredible contrast and depth of detail in both bright and the darkest scenes. This ensures that every detail is clearly visible, regardless of the content being watched. Another significant benefit of this technology is the anti-reflection screen feature. This screen minimizes distracting elements like indoor lighting or window reflections, offering an uninterrupted and comfortable viewing experience at any time of day. Another feature that takes image quality to the top is Neo Quantum HDR Plus technology. This technology analyzes scenes one by one to deliver a wide dynamic range from the brightest whites to the darkest blacks. Pantone-validated color accuracy guarantees realistic and vibrant colors of cinematic quality, while the 4K AI Upscaling Pro feature uses AI-powered neural networks to upscale lower-resolution content to near 4K level. This process makes images sharper, clearer, and more vivid. Not only does this television offer superior visual performance, but it also boasts a 4.2.2 channel speaker system with a 60W sound output. This sound system is supported by object tracking sound technology. This technology follows the movement of the action on the screen, directing the sound from the correct point and creating a dynamic audio experience that draws the viewer into the scene. The Q Symphony feature allows the TV speakers to work simultaneously with a compatible Samsung soundbar, providing a richer, more enveloping sound performance. An ideal option for gamers, the 75QN90F offers an ultra-smooth gaming experience with a refresh rate supported up to 165 Hz and motion accelerator 165 Hz technology. FreeSync Premium Pro support prevents screen tearing and stuttering, while the AI-powered auto game mode automatically detects the game genre and adjusts the best image and sound settings. In conclusion, the Samsung 75QN90F is a television that brings together the latest innovations in visual and audio technology. With its anti-reflection screen, quantum mini LED technology, and AI-powered processor, it delivers all kinds of content in exceptional quality. It is not just a TV, but an advanced entertainment platform that will be the centerpiece of your smart home ecosystem. These features, when described from an expert perspective, clearly show that this television is one of the most ambitious models on the market.